are currently on our way to Cinque Terre. We've had an interesting start to the day. We basically came to Genoa yesterday. It took about 4 hours on the train from Nice area all the way to Genoa, which was actually totally fine though. It was a very quick journey really, and it only cost us 25 euros. It was insane. So travel in Europe is just so accessible and so easy. It's so good. We then decided this morning that we were going to get up early and go to Cinque Terre. So we tried to get this like 9 o'clock train. There was like an issue with our tickets, and we also didn't realise that you still have to wear face masks on the trains here, even though you don't have to wear them on flights or on any other form of transport, just trains. Very random. So basically we got like a few stops in, realised what was going on, realised also we were on the wrong train, and then the ticket conductor came over and basically kind of threw us off, which is fair enough. Like, you know, at the end of the day we basically got an earlier train than we thought that we would, so we didn't think that it would matter that the time was different, so we just like jumped on and it was like the exact same. But it's actually worked out quite well, because so we got off at another station, and basically the train that we were supposed to get is actually massively delayed, so we wouldn't have actually got our connecting train, which we're currently waiting for, to Cinque Terre. So it's all kind of worked out in a very odd way, and luckily we're here and we're nearly on our way to Cinque Terre. We've made it to the first place, which is Riomaggiore. Probably terrible pronunciation, but yes. Here's behind us. We're just currently hiking up the hill. This is the first of the 5, and yeah, we're just going to see how it goes. It's lovely and sunny, and it's supposed to be raining, so super happy about that. I'm just so excited to be here, finally. Decided against climbing up that to go to Manarola, the next village, and that's where we're going to hopefully grab some lunch, because we have arrived a bit later because our trains were delayed and things like that, and obviously we had all the issues that we did. But yeah, that's the walk up that hill. If anyone is interested, it takes apparently about 35 minutes, but knowing me, probably an hour and a half, and we're getting a bit peckish, so we're just going to go and take the train. I think you can get like it's either 4 euros between each station, or it's 4 euros for like a all-in-one pass, but I'll update you on that. But yeah, we're gonna go get the train just down there. We are currently sat at dinner waiting for some lovely seafood spaghetti. Basically we had a bit of a mare because we tried to get in queue for this famous restaurant that's up on the hill over here, but it turns out they don't actually serve like any decent food. It's all like, it's like 50 euros for like a plate of cheese and ham, and not gonna lie, but we're hungry people, so yeah, we've come down here and we're finally getting some pasta, and this is our view at the moment, which is nice. So yeah, and then we'll hopefully have some time to pop to the other few towns and hopefully complete Cinque Terre. We have made it to town number 5, Corniglia. Woo, let's go. Just done Corniglia, wherever the sign is, probably behind that. It was just me and Sophia that chose to do this one, just because we're actually trying to do all 5 of the towns, but it is like 6 o'clock. But luckily the last train is at 9 or something, so we've got still a little bit of time to do two more. There we go. So yes, we're just waiting for the train. So we can see Manarola over here, which is really cute, and we're going to be heading that way. We have arrived in Vernazza. Currently just sitting with this view, having a lovely prosecco. Cheers! Cheers! The others have gone on to the beach, and we're going to go and join them in a little bit, but we just thought we'd make the most of a beautiful kind of sunset, but you know, we're getting there, so any excuse for some Italian prosecco is a good one. This is such a stunning view though. This is probably one of the most favourite views that I've seen. There's also a pretty famous little bar, you know, the one with the yellow umbrellas over there. That one's quite a good one to go to from what we've had recommendations for, but it's pretty packed at the moment, so we're just having a little drink on the side here, just with everyone else in the little boats. And it's really sweet and I love it. Monterosso. That's going to be our final stop in Cinque Terre, and then I'm going to tell you which ones I think were worth visiting, which ones were less so, and yeah, just an all-round review on them all. We have made it to the fifth and final town in Cinque Terre, Monterosso, and look at the beach behind me. This one's actually gorgeous and it's massive. I did not realise this one was so big, but it looks more like a beach place. So we've already been swimming, obviously, at Riomaggiore. But yeah, this looks like another great spot to go for to get a tan. Got bucket hats, and I got my Cinque Terre wine and my Cinque Terre limoncello, so I'm feeling very, very happy with myself. And we are now going to go and spend the last hour of our day having a few beveraginos before we have to get the bus back, which is going to take us a very long time, but you know, it's worth it. So it's been amazing. It's been a great day, and this is the perfect way to end it. Guys, it's currently midnight and we have pizza, so life is pretty good, but Italian pizza, so you know. So in review, I would say that we had a very, very lovely day. You can do all 5 towns in one day as long as you don't walk. Apparently the walk in between them is about 6 hours, so if you want to do that, I think you need more than a day, because you're just not going to appreciate like each and every village. You just have to walk straight through it. There's places to stay in the last town. I'm just going to refer to them in the order that I put them in, because I keep getting confused on which one's which, and also their pronunciation. So number 5, that's good to stay in, also very well connected to Genoa, though I think the first one is more well connected to Pisa. The smallest one was definitely the third one, I think, and like the least touristy, but my favourite has got to be number 2 because of our lovely swim, but also number 4 just because of the views. I think definitely number 2 and 4 were definitely my favourites and just the most beautiful ones basically. So that would be my review of Cinque Terre. It's been an amazing day, can't recommend it highly enough. So if you're in this neck of the woods, then go for it, do it, it's the best time. And yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye!